What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today we are talking about money. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views on my channel, on my small channel. People say I should stop calling my channel a small channel, but really I'm still small. Though I am still small. Well, at the moment I'm at almost 12,000 subscribers, and I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I mean, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so very much for being a part of this family. Thank you so much for subscribing, for watching, for clicking my videos and watching what this small girl has to say. I am truly grateful. Thank you all so much. So I made this video recently, I think about 3 weeks ago now. I made it in January, early January, and at the moment it has got 100,000 views. So, well, this is the first time I will have such a huge number of views on any of my video. Even in my previous channel, I think in my other channel, the other channel that I have, the highest views that I have had on any video is around 60,000 views. So this one actually blew my mind. Like, I was literally blown away. I was actually monitoring that video like until it reached 100k, and I was like, what? My video is at 100,000 views, guys. I am so happy. I am so grateful, and I can't wait for any of my videos to actually reach 1 million views. Like, that would be so great. I mean, I can't wait for that time. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. So in addition to sharing with you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views, I'm also going to be sharing with you some tips and tools that actually helped me to reach this huge milestone in such a short time. I mean, it's in less than 1 month. So you want to make sure that you watch this video to the very end and don't miss any part of it, especially if you are an upcoming YouTuber just like me. To get started, these tips actually are not in order of importance, but just be saying them as I remember them. Now, the first tips is to jump on trends in your niche. Like, I know that you have heard at one point or the other that you need to like niche down and all that. Don't be scared about that. Of course you need to niche down, but maybe another way to say this is to know your audience. Like, know your audience, know the kind of people you are creating content for. When you know the kind of people you are creating content for, it will help you to make life so much easier for you. You'll be able to know the kind of content that they want to see, and then you'll be able to give it to them. And I tell you, when you give your audience the type of content that they are looking for, they will help you to spread your message. I think that is one of the things that I have learned with this video. And this leads me to the second tip, which is make videos that add value. Like, make valuable videos, make video that people can share. Like, make videos that people will find it easier to share. Usually videos with information that people are interested in, they do well. So once you jump on the trend in your niche, make sure that you are making a video that is valuable, that people will find it easy to share. As in, you are saying something that people are eager to share with their family members, with their friends, with people. I know that not all videos have such potential, because sometimes I myself am usually lazy and I just want to laze around and just make content that I like, content that I love. I was telling somebody recently that I really wanted to like run away from making some kind of content, you know, but really, as much as there are times like that, make sure that there are also times when you make videos that, yes, this is what your audience wants, this is what is appealing to a lot of people at this time, as long as that video is within your niche or is targeting your audience. The third tip that I'm going to give is that you make use of tools. See, there are a lot of tools that will help you and make your life so much easier as a content creator on YouTube. And one of such tools that I have found so helpful in this journey of YouTube is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy. I know that a lot of you guys have heard of it before, and if you have not heard of it, let me be the very first person to introduce it to you. It's called Tubebuddy, and I'm going to be leaving the link to it. Download it in the description box below. It's a free Chrome extension that you can actually have to your browser on your computer, and you can also access it through your smartphone. So all you need to do is to go through the link in my description box, download it or add it to your extension. Then it will prompt you to add your channel. Then they give you, I think, between a month to 3 months free, depending on the type of license that you want to buy, because it's actually paid. There's the free version and there's the paid version. But if you really want to enjoy the benefits of this tool, you need to pay. For their paid version, they have the Pro, they have the Star, and they have the Legend. So at the moment, I use the Legend license, and it has been super helpful. I mean, it helps me with keyword research, with keyword tagging my videos the right way. It suggests a lot of keywords to me that I do not even think of. I'm going to be sharing my computer screen with you right now, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm talking about. Right now, I'm on my channel, and this is the video that I am talking about. Here it is. This one, how to relocate to the UK as healthcare assistant, and at the moment, as you can see, it has 104,000 views. So right now I'm at the back end of this particular video, and yeah, so this is the YouTube studio. If you are not a YouTuber, this is where we cook up our videos. This is where we add the salt, the pepper, the Maggi, and everything before we actually upload it, and then you see it on YouTube and you watch it. Now, if I scroll down, this is what I'm talking about. I have Tubebuddy installed, and here, see, this is their icon here. This is their icon. So when I click on it, I can actually, you know, like, as you can see, this is Datnaijagirl. My license is the Legend. It tells you like your milestone, industry name. I don't need all that, your dashboard and everything, but that's not where we are going right now. I actually want to show you exactly how this tool helps me. So now, see, from this right side first, it's already telling me the best practices, the things that I'm supposed to be doing in order to make sure that my video is doing great, my video is maximizing its potentials, in order for YouTube to actually push my video out and for my video to do well on YouTube. So it's telling me what my title should be, like the characters, asking me to add chapters, asking me to get a like on Facebook, asking me to add captions, and as you can see, I actually completed just 7 out of these 11 best practices. So imagine if I actually completed everything. And right now, I just want to show you how exactly this helps me to tag my videos right. There's actually a lot of controversies about whether or not tagging a YouTube video helps. But for me, I know and I am sure that it helps. Yeah, it truly helps. And I know that it has helped my videos a lot. So as you can see, here are the tags that I used for my video, and it's showing me the ranks of those videos on YouTube. That is, if somebody search this video, actually this is the number it is. It was actually higher than this before. When I first released this video, it was as high as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like between 1 and 5. It was really ranking high, but you know, as a video gets older, it kind of loses its strength in some way, if you get what I mean. It tells me the position of the tags in the search. And now when I scroll down, if I actually want to add a tag to any video, because I'm on the Legend license, it also allows you to do this on other license types on YouTube, but you won't have a lot of options like the Legend license has. So see, it tells me the different keywords that people are actually searching for on YouTube. So if I want to add, I can just click on the plus button and I'll just add it to my tags. I mean, it's as simple as that. And that is just one of the many benefits of having Tubebuddy installed and using Tubebuddy for your YouTube channel. Today's video is actually not for Tubebuddy. If you want me to talk more about that, I'll try and make another video specifically, for the tools that I use, because Tubebuddy is not the only tool that I use. I can make a separate video about that. If you guys want, please let me know in the comment section. Now to the analytics of this particular video. So this is the overview of this particular video, and as you can see, YouTube is already telling me that this video is appealing to a wider audience and is contributing to 10 times more views than usual. So right now this video is at 105.1k views. It has got 8,500 watch hours, and it has added onto this channel 5,400 subscribers, and it has made £559.86. Now I made this video on January 9, 2022, and today is actually the 2nd of February 2022, so that's less than a month. And because a lot of my subscribers like the video and a lot of people are actually sharing this video, it helped this video a lot, and so YouTube was actually pushing out this video a lot, like a lot. Let me just go to the reach so that I can show you exactly how YouTube has helped by pushing out this video for me. So right now, this is the traffic source of this video since it was published, and people who found it on browse, like they just entered YouTube and they just saw it, 48.3%. External, that's people that shared it, people that watched my video from other people sharing it out of YouTube, 19.3%. Suggested video, 13%. Other YouTube videos, 7%. Direct or unknown is 5.8%. And this video actually right now has an impression click-through rate of 4.2%. It was very high when I first put out this video. It was about 20-something%. So it was very, very high. And these are the top traffic sources for the external, for those who found my video outside of YouTube. So it was greatly shared on WhatsApp. 72.9% of people who watched it from external source actually came from WhatsApp, while 8.3% came from Facebook. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for sharing my videos, sharing it on your WhatsApp groups, sharing it on Facebook, sharing it on your Facebook groups. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much. Let's quickly move to the revenue in itself. And like I said, this video made me £559.86 in the space of less than a month. Just imagine if I have 2 or 3 of these kind of videos, like these videos that are doing well on my channel, in the space of a month. That's triple of this amount, and this is a very wonderful passive income. You just do the work once and then you keep on reaping the fruit of your labor, forever and ever. Amen. So if you are considering starting a YouTube channel or whatever you want to share with the world, please start. Okay, start. Now, making money on YouTube might not be the motivation for you, while it can actually be the motivation for some people. So now the RPM for this video right now is £5.53. Actually, it was higher than that. Like I said, all these numbers, all these values, they were very high at the beginning when I first released this video, but then as time went by, all those values started coming down. But still, it's still making a lot of sense, because a lot of videos on my channel are not making £5.53 by 1,000 views. They are not. But this video is still making that, and it's a huge one. It's a huge one. And the CPM is 7.49. CPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay to place their adverts on my video. And thank you guys so much for just not watching my videos. Thank you for also watching the ad. Thank you so much for not skipping the ads. Thank you so very much. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you. Because if everybody is skipping ads, how are we going to survive as YouTubers on these YouTube streets? Please be watching ads, yo.
please be watching our ads.
There are actually a lot of factors that helps in helping a video to actually do well on YouTube. Some of them also include the way you title your video, the way you do your thumbnail, your consistency, you know, among other things. I'm not a YouTube guru, but I've been on YouTube for like 3 years now, and I think I know 1 or 2 things about YouTube. So I really hope that this video has helped you, especially if you're a growing YouTuber and you are kind of trying to figure out how to grow your channel, how to do things, how to make videos and all that. I don't know if it's something that you guys will be interested in, but if you have more questions about YouTube growth, the tools that I use and stuff like that, please let me know in the comment section. I truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment below, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Short in such a short in such a such oh my god. Be serious.